So we have the bumper off. We have the camera location, and we have our license plate light, which I want to reroute this wire so it actually comes to the top here. And this is body color. This is not. This is black, but I'm not too concerned about this because you can't see it. And I have a little grommet we can use. So I think that is the plan. I'm going to take the camera out so we don't ruin it. Okay, so something I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little cut in the wire. I think that's from when this is mounted up on the bumper. It was rubbing on this sharp edge, so looks like we saved ourselves a short, unless it already did short. Who knows? So we shall see. So now we have to also determine where to put the microphone. So the bottom of the bumper actually lines up with the bottom of the frame here. Right here, bottom of the frame. So I need to figure out a good location for that. So this is the mic. And I also have a dead cat we can put over it. I'm actually thinking like right here. But we might get too much wind coming underneath the bumper, so maybe our first attempt will be on the frame. While I'm thinking about it, here's our cable. Let's just see how it looks. That's really tough. I don't know how much wind we're gonna get, right? So we could get wind up in here. We could get wind through here. Honestly, I'm thinking maybe just put it on the frame. Okay guys, a little better angle here. So this is the camera mount. The plug goes in the camera this way, so here's the camera plug, and then here's the mic cable. Now you can see the mic cable is a lot thicker. I only want to make one hole for these, so I'm actually going to pick a hole right here, and there's nothing behind it, so that's good. I have center punch. So before I do this, let me think about it. So if I have a cable coming out, it's not going to put too much bend in it. So that'll be nice. And then this mic cable can go wherever. I mean, it can just hang. So, made my mark. Now what we have to do here is figure out what size hole to make, right? So, those of you who don't have them, I have calipers. They're very handy. You can get a mechanical caliper like this, or you can get a digital. I like the digital. I have a digital on my desk. I should probably go get it, but this is the minimum diameter I need for the hole, right? I don't care about this one, because after we run this one through, we'll have room to run this one, because this diameter, we can make it work. Okay, so that's my diameter. I'm going to find a drill bit. And just so you guys know, I like stepped drill bits. They look like this. They have steps to them. Really good for sheet metal because you can just go in one step at a time, and that's how you know what diameter you need. So I have a few different sizes. Some are dirtier than others. So I think I like that diameter right there. Alright, so I take it back. I actually decided to try and put a rubber grommet in this hole we're making. And so I found a grommet that fits perfectly, like that. So now the diameter of the hole is actually this inner diameter of the grommet. So I'll take my calipers, measure that diameter, like that. So now I have a measurement. Try that again. So it looks like 11/16 is the right size. So what I'll do is I'll put a piece of tape on the size above it. That way I know when I'm drilling to stop there and don't go any further. So to start things out, I need to take a normal drill bit and just pop a normal hole in there. You can use this to do the whole thing, but I like to just use a pilot hole. Here we go. We're in. Take our step drill bit. And you'll see how it plunges in, and we're just going to wait for that green tape. Very nice. That's why those step drill bits are awesome. It's a perfect hole. Those of you who've drilled a lot of sheet metal know if you use a drill bit, you can't just put a big hole like that. You have to put bigger and bigger and bigger drill bits, and sometimes the hole gets oblong, which is super annoying. So here's our grommet. Oh. I'm going to clean up that hole a little bit. It's got a little rough edge on it. I'll be right back. Actually, I'm back. I'm just going to use this from the other side. And just lightly I just want the rough edge off. And that's pretty good. Okay. Let's put our grommet back in. Nice. There's our grommet. There's our mic wire. A camera wire. Hey, so that worked. Very nice. And I'll probably get some a sealer. Once we figure out the wire lengths, I'll seal that hole with some silicone sealer. I'll also redo this where it's bare metal. I'm going to use a product called Por 15, and I'll show you guys that. Sorry about that. This is Por 15. So it's rust preventative. You can paint it right on rust. You can paint it right on the metal. And I use a disposable acid brush because this stuff is nasty. If you get it on your hands, it will not come off for a couple weeks. So be sure to wear gloves too. I'm going to wait until we cut all of our holes before we do that. So we got our wires in. It's awesome. We still need to figure out this license plate wire. I think it's safe just to cut it where it started to fray. So I'll just do that. So I just spliced it. And I'll take this other wire out of here. So I just wedged it into the fuel bypass. Gosh, I can't remember what they call it. So this is where the license plate light goes. So our hole is going to be somewhere around here. Connector on here. I'm testing to see how much wire I have behind. And I don't have a lot, so I'm going to put the hole like right here. Okay, same thing, I have some grommets. Fit the wire perfectly. So I'm going to see what that diameter is. There we go. And one of my stepped. Perfect. So 3 steps, we can remember that. I'm just going to use this one straight up. So 3 steps in. There we go. That's 2. 3. Now I'll go from the back side. Clean it up. Okay. I'll stick our grommet in there. Look at that. There we go. Bam. I like it. I'm debating which side to put this on. Should have put it on the other side. Oh well. So I could have done the splice on the inside of the trunk instead of the outside. Okay, we're good. There's our license plate light. Okay, so now we gotta figure out where to put the microphone. The microphone came with a lapel clip. I wonder if we just use that first. No way. Think that would work? Huh. So this thing came with a lapel clip where you put it on your shirt or your tie. I'm actually thinking, because I don't know where to put this quite yet, I think I just put it right here, and it's easy enough to move around. It's pretty stable. And if there's too much wind noise, we can move it. think I like that idea. Check that out. I think I like that a lot. Sounds like a movie. Like that. And the camera. Goes like that.